Shut the fuck up if you're crying right now, or else I'm calling DCFS to take you away. Even though I sound like Stoner Deep in Queensland, but you fucking niggas who know that you don't call Civil Teens Network your faggot stick that is not his fucking name. And you know that you three.
You know 100% well that my name is actually Julian Paulson. That name is not nice to call me. Even though my YouTube name is Civil Teens Network.
Now shut the fuck up. 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 Shut the fuck up.